In this video, I'll show you how to create charts on Notion. First thing you'll do is open the Notion dashboard and then go to one of your pages. Then you can click on the plus sign, and here when you scroll down, you will find charts. We have the vertical bar chart, the horizontal bar chart, the line chart, and the donut chart. However, you can also get the charts by just typing slash chart, and then you will also see these options. For now, we'll pick the horizontal bar chart, and here we can see it. Now we can choose if we want to link an existing database to this chart, or if we want to create a fully new chart with a blank database. It is easier to just link an existing database, so that is what we'll do right now. So I want to link my tasks database, so I'll click on it, and here we can see it has updated. We have 5 not started tasks, 1 in progress, and 4 actually done. So this chart is actually really useful. If you want to view this chart in full screen, you can just click on these 2 little arrows, and that will open it up as a full page. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.